Welcome back, pumpkin people. 2025 pumpkin season is starting and some minor upgrades this year. Check out those prior videos. Today I'm going to be doing a soil sample and I'm going to show you how I do that. It's I think it's March 22nd right now, and a couple more weeks we'll be starting the seeds. So I'm going to take you around the patch real quick, give you a quick little update, show you how I do the soil sample. Let's just get right into it. All right, just want to give you a quick little update here. Check out my prior videos. Pumpkin patch is a little bit bigger. Last year the patch was pretty much here to there, about 200 square feet. And this year we got about 750 to 800 square feet of soil. We started installing the fence. We're digging down a trench, probably about 6 inches, putting the fencing in, and we're stapling the fence to the top on the split rail. And then over here is going to be the gate. Here's that trench I was digging for this piece of fence, making just a gate over here. It's about 4 feet wide, and I gotta put some wire on the fence. I'm gonna reuse these brackets. I'm gonna reuse the gate hinges right there, and this will be our access. Here's a look at the patch. Looking this way. Still gotta get rid of this bush. Just clean up a little things here, but gonna get a soil sample today. It's March 22nd. The soil is pretty much thawed. It was cold last night. You can see it's a little hard on the top, but down below it's pretty much thawed out. So let's just get a couple soil samples here. I have a styrofoam, just cooler. That's just gonna hold our sample. I'm gonna mix it up in there. And then a shovel, a Fiskars shovel. Upgrade that shovel. You'll see when I was digging on these posts, my shovel snapped. So hopefully this guy can hold up to the test. But just so you can see here, the top's, like I said, it's frozen anyway. But when you do a soil sample, you really don't want to use the top couple inches anyway. But yeah, we're gonna get down about 6 to 8 inches, take a sample, and I'm gonna show you how I do that real quick. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so first I want to show you what I've done so far. So every like 5-10 feet or so, I removed probably an inch or two of soil off the top. Like here in this location, kind of cleaned it up. So you just did it in a kind of like a grid pattern. Right there. It's gonna be right here, right there. Some people use a soil probe. I just use a shovel. So basically what we're gonna do here is, all I'm gonna really do is take a sample like this, put it in the ground, right? I got a good sample now of, you can see the different colors here. See, like down below is more of a sandy, and this is more of like a loam. Got some leaf matter in here, but we'll take that out, some rocks. And all we're gonna do is put it in this cooler, right? And then we're gonna do all these spots, and then I'm gonna mix it all up, and then I'm gonna just take a couple cups of soil, and that'll be a good representation of what our soil is like here. So the more spots you can do, the more accurate your soil sample is gonna be. So I'm just gonna go around, do what I just did, basically clear off the top, dig down 6 to 8 inches, one shovel scoopful in the bucket. So here we go. We got our sample. I changed out the bucket. Styrofoam broke, but you put all your samples in one bucket, a clean bucket, mix it up evenly, and then send a few cups out to Western Laboratories. That's who I use. But nothing really to it. So just go on their website, download the form, you send a check along for like, I think it's $50 or $60, and they'll tell you what your soil is lacking. So let's get this in the mail.